Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So we have finished chapter 16, electric current and simple circuits. So today we are going to summarize the chapter. You must have seen electric bulbs glowing with light, right? How does this glow? When you are getting ready, so you need to iron your clothes. So what do? You take the iron machine and plug it into the switchboard. So how does this iron machine getting heated up? So for that we need to know how does this electric current flow. So in this chapter we are going to discuss identify symbols of some circuit components, explain the heating effect of electric current, discuss the importance of electric fuse, heating effect of electric current, symbols, key, MCB. So these are the some key features that we discussed in this chapter. So symbols, they are used to make a circuit diagram. So with the help of this diagram we can easily understand that how does current flow in a electric circuit. So electric cell, it is a simple device which is used to generate electricity. Electricity is produced by a chemical reaction. So it has a positive terminal and a negative terminal. In the symbols of electric cell, the long line represents the positive terminal and the thicker and small line represents the negative terminal. Now switch or key. The combination of two or more cells, it is called as battery, right? And certain machines, they work on batteries like torches, wall clock, watches, TV remote, etc. So key makes or breaks the connection in a circuit. So when switch is on, the circuit is closed and then the current flows. When the switch is off, the circuit is open and then it breaks the flow of the current. Now circuit diagram. This circuit diagram represents the flow of electricity under the circuit. So it is a drawing which is used or which is prepared by standardized symbols. Now heating effect of electric current. So when an electric current is passed through a metallic wire, the coil becomes hot or glows. This is called heating effect of current. So what happens in this condition, this wire radiates and throws a light. The amount of heat produced in a wire depends on the material which is used to prepare that wire, and it also depends on the thickness of the wire. Sometimes you may have seen the situation in your house that flow of current or the fuse is blown off and the electric supply is cut off. So can you tell the reason behind this? This is because the enormous amount of heat is produced in electric circuit. So what happens? It can cause the damage of electrical appliances also. So to prevent that, we have one fuse in the electric circuit which heats up and burns whenever there is a production of large amount of electricity. So what happens? When this fuse is heated, it stops, when it burns, it stops the flow of current. We have MCB also in our homes. So it is an automatically operated electrical switch designed to protect circuit from damage. So whenever there is a fault in current, MCB interrupts the continuity. So this is about this chapter, electric current and simple circuits. So I hope you have understood this chapter well. So I will meet you in the next session. Take care. Bye bye.